In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi or wireless capability is turned off on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type in here ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. Now if you find your network adapter or your Wi-Fi network adapter is disabled like this, then all you have to do is you need to make a right click and then select enable. Okay, once enabling it, you will see that the Wi-Fi icon from here will be turned on and that you will be connected to your connection. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos for you, okay? For the next method is we need to right click at the start button and then here select device manager. Once device manager window is open, expand the list for network adapters, okay? Then right click on your network adapter, select properties. Now you'll find the power management tab, click on that. Make sure to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. Okay, then close this. For the final method is you can use, okay, let me open on screen keyboard to show it to you. You can press the Fn key, this one, the Fn key, and any of the function keys at the same time. So Fn and F1, F1 and F2, Fn and F3, Fn and F4. So press the Fn key and any of the function keys right here at the top at the same time, okay? Again, you can press Fn key and any of the function keys at the same time. Okay, so try on that. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.